Chris, it's brilliant to see you. And I've got to say, everyone that I've mentioned that I'm seeing Chris Coleman today to, they're all like, where is he now? What's he up to these days?
Me, the last year really, been out of work. And like everybody else in this current situation, which is a little bit strange for all of us, I'm just waiting for it to pass and eagerly awaiting the next challenge. Yeah, I'm good. No complaints.
It's been a strange old year. What it's given us is a lot of thinking time. You know, Euros postponed, but it's natural then that we go back to reminisce about 2016.
You know, through the lockdown, there was some of our games were being replayed, and you know, my family, we all sat down as if we didn't know what was going to happen. You know, we sat down with a glass of wine, we saying, right, let's watch this, and we were getting all excited. I knew exactly what was happening. I've watched it so many times, but I still wanted to relive it. For
you to have lived that as manager, you'll carry that with you forever.
Oh yeah, forever. This is, you know, how lucky are we to be a part of that? So lucky, so grateful to have had the opportunity to experience it. And it was, like you're saying, again, I think, and the whole nation, you know, will carry it forever.
The Nations League, on the other hand, is a competition that wasn't even in existence when you were manager. What do you make of the competition, and what do you make of the way that this campaign's going? I
think it's better than having friendly games. I was never a big admirer of friendly games. So, you know, those friendly games like we've had against England, it's never a friendly because it's England. But once you know you're playing for points, it's a lot different. There really is. And, you know, I think the Nations League, the way it's being created, is definitely better than friendly games. Rob
Page is going to be at the helm for these next 3 games. Now, he's someone that you know really well.
Pagey, yeah, good guy, Pagey. I used to really enjoy playing for Wales with Rob. Never let you down. You know, he's a good warrior in the trenches. So, yeah, he won't be fazed by it. He'll go and do his thing. He'll look after the players and he'll prepare them. And I don't think there'll be a problem. You've spoken about some of your memories. Do you miss it? Oh, yeah, of course. I miss the squad I had, the players, the people, Joe Allen, Ashley Williams and Bale Rambo. Of course, amazing players, great guys. But I always had the whole squad that I looked at and I connected with. My relationship with these guys will last for the rest of my life because, you know, they were such a pleasure to work with. And they definitely made me better at my job, that's for sure. They say you should never go back to something. Is it something that you would ever consider? I'm 50 now. So with experience, you can never say never. I have no idea where the next challenge is going to come from. I still got plenty of fire in my belly because I love football. I love working with football players. I like building something or trying to. I don't know where I'm going to end up. I really don't. But I couldn't say I'm definitely not going to do this or I'm definitely not going to do that. I think if experience has taught me one thing is you never, ever know. Well, it's been fantastic to see you again. It's nice to see you, Nick. It's been amazing to speak to you and just hear some of your thoughts as well. And what else can I say but diolch yn fawr iawn, not just today, but for everything. Diolch, diolch.